Yo, what's going on, guys? Key here, and I want to welcome you back, or if you're brand new, welcome to this episode of Key's Cars. If you like digital car transformations, this is the place to be, and today is no exception. We're going to take a look at the design of the Eclipse and see what it could have looked like if the design for the new Eclipse Cross had simply been the next generation Mitsubishi Eclipse.
Gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, just like that, we are back. I know it's been a little while since I've made a video, but like most small YouTubers just trying to get a flow, I don't do this full time. So I want to thank you all so much for subscribing. I was shocked to see that I'm up to 600 subscribers, still on the push to get to 1,000. Obviously want to get the channel to a place where I can do this full time, but every single like, every single watch is so appreciated, and I have to let you guys know that. So thank you. So we're gonna hop right into the design, and today, again, we're looking at the Eclipse, but I wanna take some styling from the Eclipse Cross because I really like what they've done with some of the designs, some of the lines that are going on there. The front end design it really kind of strikes me really good. And so I wanna add some of these elements here. First, I wanna work on the back end of the car. I wanna give it a little bit more girth. I just wanna step it up just a little bit. But obviously, to do that, we've gotta add a little bit more to the body panels there in the back. And here I am, I'm just gonna change these wheels just a little bit. I actually like the wheel design. This is on the 4th generation Eclipse. I like the wheels that they have going on here. I just made them a little bit bigger to fill out those wheel wells and really kind of give it more of a wide body. And now as I'm going in, I wanna add that body line and that front end to the car. So the front end from the Eclipse Cross, I really didn't know how this was gonna turn out, but dude, when I put this on the front of this coupe, all of a sudden I was getting a vibe, man. I was getting a vibe, and this is like, I like what's going on here. So I'm gonna take some elements from the grille. I just wanna make the lower grille match the upper grille. We're gonna add a little bit of a line there, an outline, so that grille is boxed in, but just want to finish off that lower bumper, and I'm really digging the way this looks. I think all I need to do here is do a little bit of cleanup on the side, and then I might be ready, almost ready to go to the rear end of the car, because this is where I want to tackle those taillights, that rear end design. I'm really kind of digging the way this is going right now, though. So if you guys are with me on this and you think that Mitsubishi should either bring back the Eclipse or they should bring back the Evo, one of those two, smash that like button for me. I don't know if any manufacturers ever watch these. I've been surprised at some of the people that have contacted me and watched some of the videos, so who knows? But man, they've got to know that the community out here is begging them to bring back some of these iconic cars with just some new flair. And I really, again, I like what Mitsubishi is doing with some of their cars, but turning everything into an SUV or turning everything into an electric car, I'm not 100% on board with that mission yet. I want to see some of these cars come back, and I want to see them bring them to the tuner community so that we can, have some fun with these things. And now I want to get to this iconic rear end of the Eclipse because every time you see an Eclipse, at least for me, when you see those old, the 90s Eclipse, and even some of the early 2000s ones, though I didn't really like that design, but you could always tell that it was an Eclipse. You could always tell it. And so this is one idea I had for the taillights. I'm not sure I'm going to stick with that. I did want to change the rear diffuser. I just wanted to update it a little bit. And the rear diffuser that I pulled from here is actually a Sabon Carbon rear diffuser that was meant for, I believe, a GT86. But I was amazed how the lines actually flow really well. And this is what I was talking about here on the taillights. I wanted to try something a little bit different, try something with a little bit more depth to it, because I feel like in 2021, right now when this video is being recorded, that there are companies doing a lot of cool things with taillights, taillight design, taillight housings, and there's so many cool ways that you could go, but it's an Eclipse. You've got to have something that's iconic but has that kind of swoosh across the top. Now I'm just gonna clean up the design a little bit. I'm gonna add the mirror to the rear view design. I'm gonna add some more body lines. I'll put some panel gaps and some shadows on the rear design so that we can finish that out. I need to actually add a line on there for where the hatch opens, that kind of thing. You guys got to tell me in the comments, what do you think? What do you think about this design? What do you think about Mitsubishi right now? Because I love their cars, their older cars. I'm not sure where I stand on Mitsubishi right now, because they've gone to everything is, either an SUV, or they've got, what is it, the Mirage, the little tiny compact car. I'm not sure what's going on, but they had so many cool cars in their repertoire back in the 90s and even the early 2000s. I wish they would bring some of these back. And I could see a car like this rivaling the new 86, the new BRZ. Throw a twin turbo, or not a twin turbo, you could, twin turbo V6, but throw a turbo inline 4 and some all-wheel drive GSX, bring back the GSX. Dude, yeah, I could totally see it. Anyway, with that, here we are, guys. This is my render of what the next generation Mitsubishi Eclipse could look like based on the current design language of the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. What do you guys think? Again, I'm trying to build the channel right now, but look for a little bit more consistency from me. I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying my best to get videos out, and also, take care of my family. And there's some other things that are going on right now, but I really love being able to talk to you guys, being able to engage with you guys. So leave me a comment, and if you would, please hit the subscribe button. My analytics right now show that 99% of the people that watch all of my videos are not subscribed. And I just hit 100,000 views last week. If 10% of those people would subscribe, I'd be at 10,000 subscribers right now. It's insane to me. But again, I appreciate every single view. I really would love you guys to subscribe, because I want to be able to do this full time. So once again, Mitsubishi Eclipse. I would drive this car. I totally would. I mean, looking at this, between this and a BRZ or an 86, oh, I don't know. All-wheel drive, turbo inline 4. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is giving me some serious vibes, though. So thank you guys once again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care.